Hi everyone, welcome to today's session. So today is going to be a quick session to just stretch out the full body, but you can use it as a warm-up and then add yoga poses and then finish the session, or you can just do it like a normal stretch out just for your joints, your good stretch, and then cool down and finish. Choice is yours. You can use it both ways. So join me in a seated position. Roll back your shoulders, place your hands in chin mudra, gently close your eyes and deep breathe. Just connect with yourself. Let's take a nice slow breath through your nostrils and exhale. One last big inhale to your nostrils and exhale. Awesome. Let's gently tilt your chin towards your chest with a few gentle blinks. Open your eyes. Awesome. So let's mobilize with our neck. Look to your right, left, right, left, right, left, and stop. Lefty to left shoulder, righty to right shoulder. Keep going. But remember, if you want to do like a 1 hour session, this warm-up is not going to be enough. This is probably enough for cross your hands. For about, if you want to do about 5-6 extra poses, then it's fine, but not for like shoulder stand and inversions and not that level. Yeah, just gentle poses. This is completely fine. Cross your legs, hands, and warrior hands, in, out, in. This is for your shoulders, your blades, shoulder blades, your upper part of the body, strengthening and relaxing. Good. One last one and done. Great job. So let's place our hands on our kneecaps this time and move yourself forward and then backwards. Kind of you're balancing on your pelvis. You feel it on your back, your glutes. Good. One last one. Sometimes when we get up, you feel like your lower back is stiff, right? Or if you were sleeping in a wrong position, you can feel like the impact on your lower back, especially, right, in the mornings. Good, excellent. So you're going to extend your legs forward, shake your legs. Good. You're going to move your toes away from you and towards you, away from you, towards you, away from you, towards you. Good job. Shake your legs and rotate your ankles to your right side and then to your left. Good. Let's tighten your kneecaps and let go. Tighten. Let go, last one, tighten and let go. Perfect. Let's come into Baddha Konasana. So that is the butterfly pose. Place your feet together like that. Right? The pant is a little bit not accommodating today. And then you're going to place interlace your fingers, place it under your toes, and you're going to flap. All right. So if you're doing this early morning, your flexibility is not going to be great, right? So please don't worry if your legs are up here. Still, you're going to flap. Still, you're going to be there for yourself and honor your body, right? Wherever that may be. And I'm doing this recording at 4:35 actually in the evening. So, and I've done another session, so my mobility is much more this time. I'm just being honest. So don't be hard on yourself, right? Perfect. So now you're going to place your hands on your kneecaps and you're going to rock from side to side, massaging your lower back, opening your hips. That's it. Perfect. And you're going to bring your legs together. Let's settle into a tabletop and cat-cow. So the distance between your kneecaps is the length of your forearm. Place your elbows on your kneecaps, spread your fingertips, and we're ready. So inhale, drop your belly, gaze up. Exhale, arch your back like a cat. Inhale, drop your belly. Exhale, arch your back. Inhale, as you go deeper and deeper, try to curve your back. Exhale, arch your back. 2 more, inhale. And exhale. Last one, inhale. And exhale. Awesome. You're going to move your pelvis in a rotative way, in a rotation. So now to your other side. Perfect. All right, let's see what else we have. Good. So that's done. Let's just do a little bit of a gentle, very gentle stretch, right? So you're going to place your feet your inner thigh, right foot in your inner thigh. But this time, remember, it's just a little stretch, right? Full body stretch. So don't worry if your legs, hands are not coming here, just stay here. Even I'm not going to attempt even going down, just stay there. But just feel that stretch. Relax your upper part of the body. If you can, hang on to any part of your leg and kind of pull yourself, but don't hurt your back. Relax your upper body, feel that blood flow to your head. Good, slowly up, inhale, hands up, exhale, down. So ideally it was actually, what we're doing is Janusirasasana. It is a yoga pose as well, but we're doing like a gentle version just to get a little blood flow, right? And for anxieties to feel good, right? Inhale, sweep your hands up, exhale, fall forward. Because if I was to do, just hold on to the pose, breathe normally. If I was to do like a proper stretch, I would tell you to do a few trial up, down, then we gently go down together, yeah? Breathe normally. So in general, this is good for digestion as well, because there's a little bit of compression on your gut, really good for lower back as well. You feel that nice stretch on your hammies. Good. Inhale, sweep your hands up. Exhale, hands down. Let that leg out. Hands apart, feet apart, deep breathe. Big inhale through your nostrils. And exhale. Big inhale through your nostrils. And exhale. So we're going to try to do the entire session while in a seated or supine position. So let's see how that goes. Inhale, sweep your hands all the way up, up, up. Pull yourself up. Imagine someone's pulling you from the top. Good. Inhale, exhale, right hand and right elbow on your mat, left upper part of the body on your ear, and you're going to gaze towards your left side. While you're there, you're going to push your left knee, if you can, towards the mat. Feel that stretch. Good job. Inhale, sweep your hands up. Fingers all together again. Upper part of the, turn it outward and pull yourself up. Inhale. Exhale, right, left elbow on the mat this time. Right upper arm on your ears, and you're going to gaze towards your right side. When you're comfortable, you're going to try to put a little strain on your right knee. Imagine it's trying to get to the mat. It's really good for digestion, right? Back pain, to relax your back, stress. Good. Inhale, sweep your hands up, up, up. I'm going to come a little, turn this way. You all can stay there. While you're remaining here, inhale. Release your hands, exhale. Left hand towards your left right knee. Right hand behind you and gaze behind. Breathe normally while you can. Breathe normally while you're holding the pose. Breathe normally. And try to align your shoulders together, yeah? Like a line if you can. This is really good for breathing other than digestion, right? Flexible spine. Inhale, sweep your hands back to normal. Again, inhale, sweep your hands up, up, up. Pull yourself up. Exhale, right hand towards your left knee, left hand behind, and twist. Breathe normally while holding the pose. It's good for endurance as well, but it's a gentle version of a seated twist. Inhale and down. Awesome. Let's lie on our back all the way down. Almost there, almost done. You can see in such a short time we have done quite a bit, right? So shake your neck from side to side. Good. This time I want you to bend your knees, right? And just rotate your knees like that. You're massaging your back, your lower back, right? And opposite direction. Good. That's it. Good. And you're going to interlace and place it on your shin. Inhale, pull yourself up and hold the pose. Breathe normally. You flex your toes away from you. So this is actually, this one is a yoga pose called gas pose, so it's really good for any digestive issues, constipation. If you have neck issues, rest your neck here, right? Don't strain your neck. They've already done quite a bit. Release your hands. Inhale, sweep your legs up. Exhale, legs down. Great job. Shake your neck from side to side. Hands apart, feet apart. And deep breathe. Begin inhale to your nostrils. And exhale. Begin inhale to your nostrils. And exhale. Awesome. So you did really good today. You can see in such a short time we did quite a bit and you're feeling really great, hopefully. So those of you who want to just finish the session right now, you can join me with the meditation and finish it, or you do the yoga poses and then come back and finish the meditation. Regardless, please do not skip the meditation. Really, really important. So let's lie down in Shavasana and I will add the meditation. Make sure your palms are facing upwards. Great. So let's begin. All you have to do is follow my voice. Visualize yourself lying on the mat, hands apart, feet apart, completely relaxed. Gently move your awareness all the way down to the back of your feet. Soften your toes, your ankles, your calf muscles, your shin, your kneecaps, your thighs, your inner bones, inner hips. Let it all relax. Your legs are completely relaxed. Gently move your awareness to your abdomen area. Visualize your abdomen rising with each inhalation and contracting with each exhalation. Visualize all the organs in your abdomen healed and relaxed. Gently move your awareness further up your chest, your rib cage. Visualize your lungs are strong and healthy, your heart is strong and healthy. Let's take a slow breath through our nostrils. Now I invite you to visualize your shoulders and exhale. Begin inhale through your nostrils. Picture your shoulders and exhale. One last one. Begin inhale. And exhale. Great job. I invite you to move your awareness now all the way down your hands. Let's soften your fingertips, your palms, your wrists, your forearms, your elbows, your upper arms. Let it all relax. Your hands are completely relaxed. Gently move your awareness up your shoulders to your neck. Soften the front of your neck, the back of your neck, your chin, your jaws, your lips, your nose, your cheeks, your eyes, your eyebrows, your forehead. Your face is completely relaxed. Relax the crown of your head. You are completely relaxed from the crown of your head to the tip of your toes. Visualize yourself floating in the air, light as a feather, completely relaxed. Great. Visualize yourself floating and enjoy this moment on your own for a few seconds. To bring your feet together, your hands together, And turn to your right side fully, so turn fully on your right shoulder. Take a breath there. And then very gently and gracefully join me in a seated position. Roll back your shoulders and sit tall. Place your hands in chin mudra on your kneecaps. Great. Gently tilt your chin towards your chest. With a few gentle blinks, open your eyes. Awesome. So I hope you feel amazing, that you feel like you're sweating. I sure am. I'm sweating quite a bit. That you feel great, and that you took this time, even with a short amount of time, that you were able to really mobilize and stretch your body, so you're able to meet the day with the right body and mind. Plus you can do it even in the evening to really cool yourself down. So thanks again for joining, and I will see you in the next week session. Thanks again. Bye for now.